Ahmed's first day, Ahmed walked into his first grade classroom with wide eyes. The walls were decorated with colorful numbers and cheerful illustrations. His teacher, Mrs. Jones, welcomed him with a warm smile and said, "Today, we're going to start learning about numbers and how to add them together." Ahmed sat down at his desk, clutching his new pencil case. He was excited but a little nervous. Mrs. Jones placed a big, friendly number line on the board and showed the class how to count from 1 to 10. Ahmed followed along, pointing to each number as he counted out loud. Counting with blocks the next day, Mrs. Jones brought out a box of colorful blocks. "Today, we're going to learn about adding numbers using these blocks," she said. Ahmed and his classmates each received a set of blocks. Mrs. Jones demonstrated by putting 3 blocks in one pile and 2 blocks in another pile. She then combined the 2 piles and counted the total. 3 plus 2 equals 5, she explained. Ahmed's eyes lit up as he tried it himself, combining his blocks and counting them with excitement. "I got 7, he exclaimed proudly. Ahmed's new skill. A week later, Ahmed was working on a worksheet at his desk. He was focused, adding simple numbers together. Mrs. Jones walked around, checking the student's work. When she reached Ahmed, he had finished all his problems correctly. "Great job, Ahmed," Mrs. Jones said, patting him on the back. "You've learned how to add numbers really well." Ahmed beamed with pride, feeling more confident in his math skills. Sharing with family that evening, Ahmed sat at the kitchen table with his parents. He wanted to show them what he had learned. He took out his homework and explained how he added the numbers together using blocks and a number line. His parents watched with smiles of admiration as Ahmed demonstrated his new skills. "I'm so proud of you, Ahmed," his mother said. "You're doing a fantastic job with math." Ahmed felt a warm glow of accomplishment, happy to share his learning with his family.